Assalamu alaikum and welcome examination. Today I'll solve the most prominent problem of my students, which is data deletion, data corruption, losing of data, etc. The question is there any trick available so you can recover your lost data? Will you become able to recover data from USB, from hard drive, from SD card, etc.? The answer of this question is yes. Yes, you can. But keep this in mind that not all of the data will be recovered. You have to make peace with that reality. So let's get started. So here is a software which is named as Power Data Recovery. This is a software by Minitool and you can download it easily from the description below. So after downloading this software from the link in the description below, you can see the software here and you can right click on it and then extract to Power Data Recovery. After the extraction, open the folder, then open the folder and you can see here is a software which is named as PDR6 free. Double click on the software, the installation is started and you can click next, then I accept the agreement, then click next. Then you can choose the location where you want to install the software. I am choosing C program files and Power Data Recovery and then click next and then click yes and then click next and then click install. The program is installed successfully and you can launch it by checking the checkbox and click finish. Now here is the interface of the software. Now I'll teach you how you can register this software. Registration will be lifetime, so there is no need to worry. In the extraction folder, you can see a file here, Minitool 20 Power 20. You can open it and here you can see all the license key available. These all license keys are authentic. So here I am choosing personal license. You can copy it, Control C, or here you can copy it and get back to the software and click on damage partition recovery and here you can see register. Click on the register and here it is asking for serial key. Paste the serial key here or Control V and click on register. So here you can see that the software is registered successfully with your personal license and click on OK. Now how you can recover your data. The step number 1 is insert your USB, hard drive, SD card or anything which you want to recover your data from. I am connecting a USB. After this, click on Digital Media Recovery and find your USB. So here is my USB, Kingston Data Traveler. Click on it and then click on Advanced Setting. In Advanced Setting, you are seeing Document, Archive, Graphics, Audio. Only check those folders you want to recover your data from. So I want to recover pictures, so I will check only this picture here. If I want to recover audio files, then I'll click here. If I want to recover email databases, then I'll take everything here. So now click on OK and click on full scan. It is scanning your USB right now. It will take some time, so sit back and pray. It will take some time and after 100% of scanning, you can see all the recovered files here in the folders. Just check the files here, like these are the files. Check them and click on Save Files. And it is asking where you want to save your files. Just give it a location, click on Browse and I want to save my files in D drive. Click on D and click on OK and click on OK. Now files are being saved in E drive. Just wait and those files are saved successfully. Thank you so much.